like a hummingbird in springs in bloom, springs in bloom. Brand new colors like I haven't seen, because I'm with you, I'm with you.
Happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat. Mahal na mahal kita, ma. Kayo ni Papa. Sana enjoy ka.
Right now, it's never felt quite like this. The rush, the rise, the climb. Oh, right now I feel alive, 'cause every moment here is a gift. It's never felt quite like this.
Happy birthday, mahal.
Feels like I'm dancing in poetry in shades of blue, shades of blue.
Happy birthday, ma. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Si kuya na bahala sa gastusin dito, wag ka na mag-alala. Happy ka lang, siya na bahala sa lungkot, ikaw ang saya.
Felt quite like this. The rush, the rise, the climb. Oh, right now I feel alive, 'cause every moment here is a gift. It's never felt quite like this. It's never.
Ma, happy birthday. Happy birthday po, mahal na mahal kita. Ikaw ang madalas masabihin, I love you pero love kita. Ito yung binigay ko sa susi kasi, ayun. Yung susi kasi nagpapaalala sa akin na pinagkatiwalaan niyo ako sa lahat. Mga bagay-bagay. Pinagkatiwalaan niyo sa akin yung anak buhay. Maraming salamat, ma. Wala, maiksi lang yung happy birthday. Mahal na mahal kita.
It's never felt quite like this. It's never felt quite like this.
Such a pretty thing, such a pretty thing. I see those stars in your eyes. Picture perfect, true. But got
Birthday, ma. A blessed 60th to you. Mahal na mahal kita. Andito lang ako lagi para sa inyo ni Papa. Chill na lang tayo sa buhay natin. Huwag na tayo masyadong stressful. Love you!
got that glow.
Happy birthday, ma.
Sabi na naman na lahat ni Jenny. Wala na kami sasabihin. Hindi, ma, happy birthday. Salamat sa lahat na mga binigay mo, Papa, kayong dalawa.
She likes every corner.
Happy birthday, Mama. Sana mag-enjoy ka.
She's cut out from a magazine. She knows how to glow like Marilyn Monroe.
Happy ka lang, basta yung happy na sa'yo lang. Ang lungkot na kay Kuya. Ang lungkot nandito sa dalawang katabi ko, ha?
So beautiful. Got that glow. shines like gold. Oh, so lovely wherever you go. People say, honey, you got that thing that all the boys love and adore.
Happy birthday, Mama! We love you.
Shines like gold.